Imagine the silence of the night, and suddenly 10,000 stars light up together in the sky. But these aren't stars, these are drones, and they've broken the Guinness World Record. Today's story is about that journey, when humans turned the sky into their canvas. The opening ceremony of the PyeongChang Winter Olympics. The world's eyes were fixed on the stage, but the real magic happened in the sky. Intel flew 1,218 drones simultaneously and created a living 3D model of the Olympic rings. That night, drones replaced fireworks, and a Guinness World Record was born. But the story didn't end there. By 2021, China flew 3,281 drones simultaneously, dusting off the old record. Now, it wasn't just shapes being created in the sky. Stories were being told. Dragons, phoenixes, and giant faces. Everything began to appear floating in the air. And then came 2025. Chinese company Demoda achieved something that shook the entire world. In the night sky of Ho Chi Minh City, 10,518 drones flew simultaneously, all controlled from a single computer. Every drone was an artist, and the entire sky was their canvas. This wasn't just a show, it was humanity's greatest celebration of technology. American company Sky Elements went above and beyond. On a night in Texas, they told a magnificent story with 10,000 drones and broke 4 Guinness records in a single night. Imagine one night for records. This is the real spectacle. So friends, this was the story of those drones that gave the sky a new meaning. First, we used to look at the stars. Now, the stars look at us. If you like this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, which record will break next? India, 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 India.